Hello, welcome back Charles Educational World. In this session, we have to learn the types of fractions. In these, the first one is like fractions, second one is unlike fractions, third one is proper fractions, and fourth one is improper fraction. Finally, the fifth one is mixed fraction. Now we learn in detail. The first one is like fraction. So what are like fractions? The fractions which are having same denominators, those fractions are called like fractions. For example, 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 7 by 3, 14 by 3. Here we confirm that all denominators are same. Such type of fractions, these four fractions we call as like fraction. Unlike fraction, very simple, that is the fractions which are having different denominators, those fractions we call as unlike fractions. Example, 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 9 by 8, 10 by 121. So here we confirm that these four fractions are having different denominators. That's why these four fractions we call as unlike fractions. The third one is proper fraction. So what is called proper fraction? The fraction which has less value of numerator comparing to denominator, such type of fraction we call as proper fraction. For example, 2 by 3. Here we comparing the numerator and denominator. Here numerator is lesser than the denominator. Such type of fractions we call as proper fraction. Another example for this, 4 by 11. Here also 4 is less than 11. That's why it is also example for. Come to the fourth one. The fourth one is improper fraction. What is called improper fraction? The numerator is bigger than the denominator. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. Example for that is 4 by 3. Here 4 is greater than 3. And also another example is 200 by 5. Here also 200, the numerator is bigger than the denominator 5. 200 is greater than 5. That's why these two fractions should be called as improper fraction. Come to the fifth one, the last one is mixed fraction. So what is called mixed fraction? Simply we write as, this is the general formula for mixed fraction. What is that one? Whole number plus proper fraction. Example for that is, whole number is take as 2 and the proper fraction is take as 3 by 5. So 2 plus 3 by 5, it is a form of mixed fraction. It is also write as 2 3 by 5. So we neglect the plus in between the whole number and also the proper fraction. The 2 plus 3 by 5 is also write as 2 3 by 5. Another example for this is 3 7 by 9. Right, also write as 3 7 by 9. Thank you.